Hey guys, this is John again from Character Red. So in this video today we've got how to make a giant Jenga set. It's 3 easy steps. The first one, as you're seeing right now, is to cut a 6 2x4s at 8 feet into 54 10.5-inch pieces. Once you've done that, then you're going to take it on to step 2, which is sand the pieces to preference. Me personally, I like to have a lot of rounded edges. That way there's nothing that could possibly harm anybody or get any splinters or anything like that. Step 3, we move on to staining and actually putting in a polyurethane coat. When you're staining, you're going to want to go over light coats and wipe off, see what you like, what you don't like, and possibly reapply until you get the desired finish. Once you get the desired finish on all 54 pieces, then you can start applying your polyurethane on the thin coat and add another one if you like. I mean, again, it's all preference. For the next portion, you can have a couple different finishes. So there's a picture that I share later on in the video where I made a set of Eagle Globe and Anchors for a Marine mom, for a Marine that I put in the Marine Corps. So, yep, that's it. Again, all the tools will be listed for all the items that I used. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Comment. Make sure that you're letting me know what kind of content you guys would like to see. And as always, hit subscribe, hit share. That way people can get an easy video on how to do a giant Jenga set. Thank you.